Good afternoon. Welcome to SkyPoint Airlines. Where are you flying today?
Hi, I'm flying to London, but I think I'm a bit early. My flight is at 5:40 p.m. or maybe 5:50. I always mix the numbers.
No problem. Let me check your passport first. May I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Anna Maria Lopez. Sometimes it shows as just Anna Lopez, depending on the system.
Let's see. Okay, I found your booking. Your flight is SkyPoint 227 departing at 5:45 p.m.
Right. I knew it was something with a 5 and a 40.
Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes. One large suitcase. Actually, two. But the second one is very light.
No worries. Please place your first bag on the scale. This one is 23.7 kilograms. Your limit is 23 kilograms, so you are slightly over.
Really? But at home, the scale said 22.8.
Different scales can show different results. You can pay the overweight fee, move something to your carry-on, or remove an item from the bag.
Ugh. Okay. I'll move my shoes to my backpack.
Perfect. Now it's 22.9, under the limit.
Great.
What about the second bag?
It's very light. Maybe 12 kilograms.
Let's check. Actually, it's 14.2 kilograms.
What? I'm sure it was 12 at home.
Airport scales never lie. Unlike home scales, laughs and walks away.
Great.
It's still within the 23 kilogram limit, so you're fine.
Good.
Do you have any dangerous items? Batteries, liquids over 100 milliliters, sharp objects?
No. I think no. Well, I have a hairspray, but it's small. 80 milliliters. And I have a water bottle, but it's empty. Well, almost empty.
Make sure it's completely empty before security.
I will.
Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is B17, but please note sometimes flights to London move to gate B21 if the earlier flight is delayed.
Okay. B17, or possibly B21. Got it.
Boarding begins at 5:05 p.m., so please be there on time.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget to take your laptop out at security.
Oh, wow. Thanks. I always forget that.
Have a safe flight.